Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at one of our beautiful 26mm Rolex Lady Presidents that we have in stock. This one has a smooth bezel and these beautiful diamond lugs, which I really love when Rolex puts diamonds in unusual locations, especially like just on the lugs and not on the bezel. I think it really makes it so that you can get a watch that fits your personality and one that fits your style and tastes a little bit more than anything else. So if you are someone who likes just a touch of diamonds, just a hint of sparkle, but don't want an entire diamond bezel dedicated to diamonds, then I think this watch would be a really great compromise, especially because the smooth bezel looks so great. And of course the actual President bracelet looks beautiful as well, and it's so comfortable to wear. It also has a silver dial, which I prefer on the gold watches because I think the contrast is really nice and it adds a lot of interest to the dial and doesn't make it all blend into your hand all into one. It's also got these beautiful diamond hour markers, so again, if you just like that hint of sparkle that will reflect when you move your wrist around, I think this watch would definitely be right up your alley. So if you're interested in this watch, or if you're looking for a beautiful Rolex Lady President to give to someone or to give to yourself, you should definitely check out our entire collection because we have tons of great and amazing configurations available right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.